Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Alec and in this tutorial I will show you how to duplicate posts and pages in WordPress. If you have ever created a page or post in WordPress that you would like to use again as a template, there is no way to do it. WordPress by default doesn't have such an option. This is why you need to install a plugin. I will show you the one that stands out above all similar plugins, offers many excellent features, and the best part is that it is free to use. To install this plugin, go to Plugins and select Add New Plugin. In the search box on the right, enter Duplicate. The plugin you want to install is Duplicate Post. It has excellent reviews, more than 300,000 active installations, and was updated 3 months ago, which is okay. When speaking about plugins, I always suggest that you look for those compatible with your WordPress version, but for this type of plugin you can ignore it as it will not harm your website. Click Install Now to install it and Activate to activate it. When you reload this page, you will see a new section of this plugin in the left-hand column and this pop-up window that you can skip. If you click on this Show Intro link, you will see 3 options for copying or cloning your posts or pages. The first is from the list of posts or pages, the second is inside the editing page, and the third is from the admin bar when previewing your page or post. If you hover over any of these options, you will see its animated explanation, which is self-explanatory. Now that you know that, you can close this intro. This is where you can set your default settings for this plugin, which will be applied whenever you copy your page or post. The first is where you can select the default elements that will be copied. Here you can check and uncheck any available option, and for each option there is a short explanation of what will happen if you decide to use it. The second option is for the copy's names, where you can build your naming logic. The third one is where you can select who can copy and delete content on your website, which content types can be copied, and where you want to display the copy option. If you make any changes in these sections, remember to save them at the bottom of each drop-down menu. The last option allows you to delete duplicate posts or pages manually. Be careful what you do here, as this cleanup cannot be undone. Now that you know all the available options, let me show you how easy it is to copy a post. If I go to my posts page and hover over blog post 1 that I would like to copy, a pop-up will open and I can select how many times I would like to copy it. This could be very handy if you have 5, 10 or 20 similar products on your website and need to make minor changes to any of them. If I select copy one time, it will be a draft with its #2 suffix. If I want to copy my blog post 3 times, its copies will be created as drafts with their associated suffixes. 2 additional copying options from the beginning of this tutorial are available within the editing page of a post or page. If I click Edit to open the editing page, you will see the Copy This button in the upper right corner for using this plugin. If you click on it, a menu window will open with the options you would like to be copied. If I click this icon to preview my post, the Copy This option will be inside the black toolbar at the top of the page. If I click on it, the same menu window will open as the previous one. And that would be all for this tutorial. Now you know how to duplicate posts and pages in WordPress using a free plugin. Please hit the like button below if you found it helpful. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel to stay updated on future tutorials. This will also make it easier for others who want to learn how to duplicate their posts and pages in WordPress to find this video and this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.